the hook area. It is recommended to clean the hook area and the automatic thread cutter device at least once a month. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Press the needle plate release key and the needle plate will automatically snap off. Turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. Remove the needle and the presser foot. Remove the bobbin and the bobbin holder. Clean inside the bobbin holder and the bobbin holder holes with a lint brush. Wipe the bobbin holder both inside and outside with a soft cloth. Clean the feed dog, thread cutter device, sensor area and hook race with a lint brush. Wipe the inside of the hook race with a cloth. Attach the bobbin holder in the hook race, making sure the knob fits next to the stopper of the hook race. Turn the hand wheel slowly and check that the bobbin holder is inserted properly. Insert the left edge of the needle plate into the opening and attach the needle plate. Insert the plug into the power outlet. Turn the power switch on to make sure a warning message does not appear. Attach the needle and presser foot. Wipe the machine body with a soft cloth. Never use benzene or other chemical solvents for cleaning the machine body. Regular maintenance will ensure that your machine runs trouble-free.